Hello, good viewers. You're welcome. I brought to you this particular question on the board. So this question is actually coming from Olympiad. So this is Olympiad question. So the question reads: if x over 3 equals 1 over 4 equals z over 5, and we are given 3x minus 2y plus 2 to be equals 18, right? So what is the value of x plus 5y minus 3z? So now let's see how we are going to do. Now here, let me start from here. I'm going to start from here. So now, for the fact that this, and this are the same, now let me equate everything here to be a constant. That is, x over 3 equals y over 4 equals 7, z over 5, then equals what? Let me say we represent it to be k. Now if this is k, so definitely we can set x over 3 equals k, y over 4 equals k, and z over 5 equals what? Equals k. Now from here, let me get the value of k. If I make the value of x, if I make x the surrogate formula here, I will have x to be 3k, here will be y is 4k, then here we have z to be 5k. Are you following? Now from here, the next thing we are going to do, all these values of x, y, and z we got, we now put it inside this. That is 3 into bracket, the x is 3k, we have 3k, right? Minus 2, y is 4k, then plus 2 equals what? Equals, okay, sorry, this is z, not 2. I'm sorry. Z, and z is 5k here. We have 5k, then equals what? Equals 18. Are you getting it now? So now from there, let's try to combine all of this together. 3 times 3, we have 9k, right? Minus 2 times 4, we have 8k. Then we have what? We have plus 5k equals what? Equals 18. So now from there, 9k minus 8k, that will give us 1k plus 5k, we are going to be having 6k to be equals what? 18. So now from here, we divide through by 6. We have 6k divided by 6 equals 18 divided by 6. Right? So from here, k cancel this k. Right? Then we have k to be equals 3 because 18 divided by 6 will give us 3. Now good. We have k to be 3 now. Now let's go back to this place here where we said x is 3k. So x is now going to be 3k. We same thing as 3 into bracket 3, and that will give us what? 9, because 3 times 3 will give us 9. Then y equals what? 4k, right? Then 4 multiplied by the k we got is 3. We have 3. Then 4 times 3, we have what? We have 12. Then lastly, we have z to be 5k. Then 5 times the k is what? Is 3. I have what? 5 times 3 gives what? Gives 15. Are you following? So now from there, so the next thing we're going to do is to come here now. Let's come to this place, what we are looking for. Now, we have x plus 5y minus 3z equals what? So now, let's substitute the value of x, y, and z into this. We have what? You can see that we have this to be 9 is, we have x to be 9 plus y to be 12. That is 5 multiplied by 12, right? Then minus 3 multiplied by what? 15. Then what are we going to have? 9 plus 5 times 12 will give us 60 minus 45. Then when you add up everything here, you're going to see that this is going to be x plus 5y minus 3z is going to give us, when you add all of this together, you're going to have 24. Right? And that's the solution. Okay? If you find this class very interesting, kindly share this. Follow our Facebook page for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.